Hello everyone, welcome back to the Sparkle Twins. It's me, Mariam, and today our topic is what is engineering? Let's get started. First of all, who is an engineer? Well, an engineer is a person who solves problems. Okay? Now, how do engineers solve problems? Okay? Well, engineers solve the problems using the engineering process. Well, what is the engineering process in the first place? Well, it is a process that engineers use to solve problems. That won't help me. I need to understand. Okay, then let's understand the engineering process. Now, this is the engineering process. You first need to define the problem, do your research, develop a possible solution, design your solution, build a prototype, test it, and evaluate your solutions. So we're going to try using the engineering process to solve this problem. So I am over here. I need to get to the other side alive. Okay? So what was the first step? Well, the first step over here was to define our problem. Okay? And we already have a problem. The problem is that we need to get to the other side alive. Okay? So let's try using the engineering process. First of all is to define the problem. Well, now the problem is that we need to get to the... First we had to find a problem. Well, we need to get to the other side alive. So now we have to follow these steps to make it to the other side. We need to reach the other side alive. We have to use the things we have. It must be safe to use. And we have to be able to reuse it once we are on the other side. Okay? So now let's do some research on it. So we're doing a little bit of research to solve this problem. So you can think maybe let's try to climb down. But do you see over here? Look, there's water. And if you try to swim in it, there's nowhere to get here or here. So it's maybe a little bit impossible to get there. And we have no ladder to climb back up. Okay, so now make a possible solution that can happen. So we have to try making a solution using our head. And we have to use the items and things that we have available. So, you know what? Let's try to fly to the other side, okay? So now we need to find a way to fly. Well, so there are no airplanes, no helicopters. All we have right now is a tent. So now we have to design our solution. Okay? We're already going to the designing part. So we have to design a solution. Engineers design the solution by drawing or sketching them on papers. Like a mini Eiffel Tower. Yeah, Eiffel Tower looks good, right? No, it looks terrible. Okay, but we don't have any paper on the top. So we just need to think. Should it be colorful? Should it be big? Should it be small? Should it have flowers on it? These are the questions it might come up in your mind when you try to design it. So the next thing to do was to build a prototype. That means we have to know what we are building with the tools we have right now. So maybe we can make a glider from the tent we have. These are the things that the glider can do. The glider can fly, the glider uses the things we have, which is the tent, and the glider is very safe to use, and the glider can be reused once we are on the other side. Perfect. Next thing to do is we have to test it. Well, we need to test the glider if it works. If it doesn't work, we need to restart the entire process again. Even engineers do the process about 5, 6, 7, even 10 times. Just to get it perfect. Don't worry, just don't give up on it. Okay? That's what makes us and now if it worked, then you got a successful glider. And guess what? When I tested it, the glider actually worked. So I made a successful glider. Now, we have to evaluate our situations. What does that mean? It means asking a million questions about your accomplishment. Like, for example, why did it work? How did it work? Why didn't it work? How to improve it? Etc. So we finally made it to the other side. That was a successful try. Shall I show you? Should I show you how they made it to the other side? Well, first of all, they used the tent, made a glider, and got to the other side. Perfect. And that's the end of today's video. Hope you guys had lots of fun with me, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.